A one-of-a-kind 1977 Ferrari 512BB is set to be auctioned next month in the UK, and it's already turning heads. This isn't your typical Ferrari, it's been modified with a custom widebody kit and upgraded components, making it a unique and highly desirable collector's item. While Ferrari purists may not approve of the alterations, there's no denying that this car is a rare gem that will likely fetch a price well within the $200,000 range. For anyone unfamiliar with the Ferrari 512BB, it was first introduced in 1976 as part of Ferrari's iconic line of Berlinetta Boxer models. The 512BB featured a 4.9-liter naturally aspirated flat 12 engine, which was capable of producing around 340 horsepower and 331 lb-ft of torque. While those numbers may seem modest by today's performance standards, they were more than enough to push the car to 60 miles per hour in just around 5.5 seconds, a blistering speed for its time. This particular 1977 Ferrari 512BB stands out not just for its performance but for the extensive modifications that have been carried out on it over the years. Originally delivered in early 1977, it was later returned to Maranello Concessionaires, Ferrari's official UK dealer, for some rather impressive upgrades. The car received custom aluminum front and rear clamshells, along with flared front and rear wheel arches, which give it a much more aggressive stance than a standard 512BB. The modifications didn't stop there. The side lights were repositioned, and enlarged NACA ducts were added to improve airflow to the engine, enhancing its performance. But perhaps the most striking feature of this Ferrari is its transparent engine cover. This unique feature allows you to view the 12 trumpets of the flat 12 engine in all their glory, making this 512BB not just a car but a work of art. Inside, the car features multi-point harnesses, a testament to the car's racing heritage and inspiration from the Ferrari 512BB Competizione models that competed in the 1978 24 Hours of Le Mans. These special editions of the 512BB were developed for track racing, and this car draws heavy inspiration from them, giving it a connection to Ferrari's motorsport legacy. Another factor that makes this Ferrari 512BB especially rare is its right-hand drive configuration, which was produced exclusively for the British market. Only 101 right-hand drive examples were built, making it even more limited and highly collectible. Even more intriguing is the fact that this particular car has barely been driven, with fewer than 6,000 miles, approximately 9,656 kilometers, on the odometer. For a car that is over 4 decades old, this is an incredibly low mileage count, adding to its appeal. Despite being a modified car, its rarity and stunning visual presence still make it an incredibly valuable piece for any serious Ferrari enthusiast or collector. The current estimated auction price is between £150,000, $194,000, and £170,000, $220,000. While this might seem like a hefty sum, it's actually in line with what standard 512BB models have been fetching at auction in recent years. However, considering the modifications and rarity, this specific 512BB has the potential to break records. H&H Classics, the auction house handling the sale, describes this Ferrari as a true standout, offering a blend of Ferrari's engineering and custom performance upgrades that are sure to make it a showstopper at auction. For any collector looking for a car that's both unique and historically significant, this is a rare opportunity to own a piece of Ferrari's legacy. As the auction day draws closer, it will be interesting to see how much this Ferrari 512BB will ultimately fetch. With its modifications, low mileage, and rarity, there's little doubt that it will be highly sought after by collectors worldwide.